Hello everyone, and welcome to The Healthy Life. Today, we're diving into the delicious and nutritious world of watermelon. Watermelon is not just a tasty summer treat, it's packed with health benefits. We'll explore why it's a nutritional powerhouse and how it can boost your well-being. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with watermelon's incredible hydrating properties. This juicy fruit is not just delicious, but also a powerhouse when it comes to keeping you hydrated. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it a fantastic way to stay hydrated. Its high water content helps you stay refreshed, especially during hot summer days. Proper hydration is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste. When you're well hydrated, your body functions more efficiently, and you feel more energetic. Incorporating watermelon into your diet gives your body a significant hydration boost. It's a simple and tasty way to ensure you're getting enough fluids. Add it to your breakfast or pack some for a hydrating snack at work or after a workout. Watermelon is versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways, making it easy to include in your daily routine. Trust me, your body will feel the difference. The refreshing taste and hydrating benefits of watermelon will leave you feeling revitalized and ready to take on the day. Now, let's talk antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases. Watermelon is a fantastic source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced risks of heart disease and certain cancers. So, enjoy watermelon and let those antioxidants work their magic. Feeling sluggish? Skip the sugary drinks and reach for watermelon. It's rich in B vitamins, especially B6, which helps convert food into energy. Watermelon also contains vitamin C, supporting a healthy immune system and fighting off fatigue. Plus, it has electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing muscle cramps. Watermelon is great for muscle recovery thanks to an amino acid called citrulline. This refreshing fruit not only quenches your thirst, but also provides essential nutrients that aid in muscle repair. Citrulline increases blood flow to muscles, reducing soreness and speeding up recovery. Enhanced blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, helping them heal faster. Studies show athletes who drink watermelon juice before exercise experience less muscle soreness. This natural remedy can be a game changer for your post-workout routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, watermelon can support your muscle recovery. Incorporating it into your diet can make a significant difference in how you feel after intense workouts. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. So, next time you plan your training session, don't forget to include some watermelon juice for optimal recovery. Watermelon works wonders for skin and hair health. Its high water content keeps skin hydrated and plump, reducing wrinkles and giving a natural glow. Watermelon is also rich in vitamins A and C, essential for healthy skin and collagen production. These vitamins and minerals promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. Enhance your beauty routine with watermelon. Craving something sweet? We all have those moments when we just need a little something to satisfy our sweet tooth. Instead of reaching for sugary treats, consider watermelon. It's a fantastic alternative that not only tastes great, but also offers numerous health benefits. Watermelon is naturally sweet but low in calories, with only about 46 calories per cup. This makes it a guilt-free indulgence. Its high water content and fiber help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. This makes it a great option for managing weight and making healthier food choices. Plus, it's refreshing and hydrating, perfect for any time of the day. So next time you crave something sweet, reach for watermelon. It's a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your cravings without the extra calories. Watermelon is truly nature's gift. hydrating, nutritious, and delicious. From boosting energy to promoting healthy skin and aiding muscle recovery, its benefits are remarkable. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Geecher, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.